If Figma is showing a failed to fetch error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to designing fast. This issue is usually caused by a network restriction, security setting, VPN, proxy, firewall, or a blocked connection to Figma's servers. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling anything. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, turn off your VPN or proxy if you have one running. VPNs and proxies can heavily restrict secure fetch traffic and WebSocket connections, which Figma depends on to load properly. If you're using a browser extension, a system VPN app, or a workplace proxy, disable it temporarily and then reload Figma. Sometimes that alone solves the fail to fetch error immediately. Next, Allowlist Figma in your security software. If you're on a work or school computer, ask your IT administrator to add figma.com to the Antivirus, Firewall, or Security Software Safe list. This is important because security tools can block the requests Figma needs to communicate with its servers. Even if the app opens, one blocked request can trigger the failed to fetch message, so make sure Figma is trusted in every security layer that may be filtering traffic. Now verify that port 443 is open. Figma uses port 443 for secure website traffic over SSL, and if that port is blocked, the app may fail to connect. Check your firewall, router settings, or network restrictions to make sure port 443 is completely open. If you're on a managed network, this may need to be adjusted by your administrator. This step is especially useful if Figma works on one network but not on another. After that, switch networks and test a different connection. A really easy way to isolate the problem is to try a mobile hotspot. If Figma works on your hotspot but not on your regular Wi-Fi, then your main network is likely blocking or filtering the connection. That tells you the issue is not with Figma itself, but with the network settings. In that case, you may need to adjust router security, DNS, or firewall rules. If you're still getting the error, test the web version of Figma. If you normally use the desktop app, open Figma in a supported browser like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge. This helps you figure out whether the problem is with the app or with your network in general. If the browser version works, then the desktop app may need to be updated, repaired, or allowed through your security settings. If both versions fail, that points more strongly to a network or security restriction. One more quick tip. After making these changes, fully close Figma and reopen it, then refresh the page or restart your computer if needed. That can help clear any stuck connection issue and force Figma to reconnect cleanly. So to recap, turn off your VPN or proxy, Allowlist Figma, verify port 443, switch networks to test a hotspot, and try the web version if the desktop app is failing. These steps solve the majority of fail to fetch errors in Figma. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll keep making more simple step-by-step fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.